Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make bittermelon candy. This is almost like ginger candy, and it's a little bit chewy, and bittermelon is bitter, but it's candy, so it's a little bitter and sweet. It's a very good combination. My mom had many bittermelon from her garden, and her neighbor brought her lots of bittermelon from their garden. So we have to make something very quickly from bittermelon. So my mom decided to make bittermelon candy. This is actually my first time to making bittermelon candy. But it is not too bad, and my mom showed me how to make bittermelon candy. We made brown sugar one and also white sugar one, and I'll show you today for the white sugar version.
She said take the water out because when you cook in the pot, the water coming out from the bittermelon, so it's better to prepare beforehand. Sugar is easily burned, so the water is getting lower. You have to stir all the time. Sugar is getting harder than when you feel the whole thing is heavy when you stir. That's the time it's almost finished. When you see the sugar on the pot like this is a sign for it's done.
Just like ginger candy, bittermelon is bitter taste and it's sweet from sugar, and it is very good combination, I think, and it's very tasty. I really liked it. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and if you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon.